Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today, we're diving into the coolest next-gen tech in the crypto space. From brand new AI tools to must-have apps, play-to-earn games, NFTs, DeFi, wallets, tokens, and everything, blockchain and Web3 related. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe and like button. Are you ready? All right, let's get started. So let's talk about one of the biggest tech flops of 2024, the Tesla Cybertruck. This thing was supposed to be the future of electric trucks, but it's turned into a complete mess. From manufacturing issues to safety recalls, and even design problems, it seems like Tesla just couldn't get it together with this one. Let's break it down. First off, the Cybertruck has had a rough ride from the start. Remember when Elon Musk unveiled it back in 2019 and claimed the windows were made of armor glass? That was supposed to be this bulletproof material that could withstand anything. But in the live demo, 2 windows shattered when they were hit with a steel ball. Not a great start, right? The real problems came when Tesla tried to actually make the thing. It's like the design itself was cursed. Industry experts pointed out that the dead straight panels were going to be a nightmare to manufacture. And they were right. Even Elon Musk admitted it. The delays just kept piling up, with the launch date getting pushed back repeatedly. From late 2021, then early 2022, then late 2022, and finally to late 2023. It was like watching a bad sitcom where the punchline is, "Not today." Then there were the build issues. The first production prototype rolled off the line in July 2023, and auto industry folks immediately noticed the passenger doors didn't align. It was one of those "you had one job" moments. Misalignments and other quality issues continued through the entire production run. Not to mention, Musk had to send out an internal email to Tesla employees saying, "The Cybertruck's bright metal with straight edges makes any dimensional variation stick out like a sore thumb." Ouch, the recalls are where it really starts to get scary. Tesla had to recall nearly 4,000 Cybertrucks in 2024 because of a faulty accelerator pedal that could get stuck down. Talk about dangerous. Plus, they issued an over-the-air software update recall for 2.2 million vehicles, including the Cybertruck, because the font size of the ABS, brake, and park indicators was too small, increasing the risk of collisions. It's like they couldn't get anything right. As if that wasn't enough, Cybertruck owners started reporting rust and corrosion on the supposedly stainless steel body. You know, the same material that was supposed to be indestructible? That didn't age well, literally. People who lived in rainy areas found their trucks turning into rust buckets, which is the exact opposite of what you'd expect from Tesla's promises. And don't even get me started on these software issues. Owners reported 25 critical system errors within just a few days of using the truck. Warnings about high-voltage system malfunctions, steering problems, and even a vehicle may suddenly lose electrical power message. Oh, and don't forget the Cybertruck's autopilot system, which sometimes braked suddenly without reason. That's not just annoying, it's dangerous. The price was another huge issue. Remember when Musk promised a starting price of $39,900? Yeah, that didn't happen. By December 2023, the real starting price was officially announced at $60,990. With accessories and everything else, you're easily spending over $75,000 on a truck that might leave you stranded on the side of the road. Not exactly a steal. To add insult to injury, Tesla's so-called bulletproof armor glass couldn't even withstand hail. One owner had to pay over $2,300 just to fix a broken window after a hailstorm. And let's not forget the notorious cyber guillotine issue, where the frunken doors didn't have anti-pinch sensors. It could literally chop off your fingers if you weren't careful. By April 2024, Tesla had to halt all Cybertruck deliveries and physically recall every single one. The accelerator pedal problem was just too dangerous. The recall notice stated that the pedal could become stuck, sending the truck accelerating uncontrollably. This wasn't just bad news for Tesla, it was a public safety hazard. In the end, the Cybertruck was supposed to be a game-changer for electric vehicles, but it turned out to be a complete disaster. From design flaws to recalls, rust issues, safety hazards, and that insane price tag, it's no wonder people are backing away from electric vehicles. Plus, with so many other EV options on the market, there was just too much offer and not enough demand. The Cybertruck went from the future of electric vehicles to a cautionary tale of what happens when hype doesn't meet reality. What do you think? Did Tesla drop the ball, or was this just a case of too much ambition too soon? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech updates. See you in the next one.